And people always ask me why I make a noise while I throw punches. It's a natural byproduct of proper breathing. It helps me to generate power and maximize the force behind my punch. So now y'all know.